Our winner for tonight is Oshun.
This is a moment of injustice and disrespect to women in the history of Best Female Dress Award. (25th March 2024), Bobrisky wins the Best Dressed Female Award at movie premiere. The premiere, which held at the Lekki, was a star-studded affair, with Nollywood stars like Toyin Aigbe, Odunlade, Adekola, Femi Adebayo, and Sola Sobowale, but it was Bobrisky who captured the crowd. She dressed in a stunning black gown, her hairstyle in a voluminous coil, and bold black lipstick completing the looks. Bobrisky walked away with the award for the best dressed female of the night with an award of 1 million naira. This incident sparked a lot of reaction on social media, which makes some people angry. Bobrisky is a man and not a woman. His real name is Okuneye Idris olanrewaju. He is a Nigerian transgender woman and LGBT personality. She is also known for his presence on social media. A popular Nollywood actor named Ugezu J wrote, "So many people have lost it. How can a man win the prize for the best dressed female in an event organized by a human being? Is this sincerely not a slap on the face of our women who are working hardly every day to be best of themselves?" Otebo also reacted angrily about this injustice. He warned Bobrisky never to cross his boundary or territory.
That's why I say they give Bobrisky best female dress of the year for movie. Share na woman. Don't be activist. Èèyàn tó ṣèdì máa ń wédu yàn wédu breast. Now, all those ladies, fine ladies, wey dey act movie, rí wọn fún award. Èwo nínú yín ló fún ọkùnrin ní award tó pè ní obìnrin? Bobrisky na man now, àbí? Bobrisky kò ní Bobby ó fowó ṣe Bobby ni. Bobrisky kò ní dì ó fowó ṣe dì ni. Ẹ ti báyé jẹ́ o, ọ̀run mòru. Now, in wetin all those small children, our tomorrow, now they're going to hear say the man dey do yansh, man dey turn to woman, come dey give am award. Ṣé ń wáyé ni? Ṣé fẹ́ báyé jẹ́ ni? Ẹ ń wáyé ni? Òun wáyé ni o, ìwọ Bobrisky àgbà ọ̀gbìn yẹn náà. Okay, now, you, brotherhood, where we know, can you call yourself?
Bobrisky winning the 2024 Best Female Dressed Award is an injustice and total disrespect to women because Bobrisky is a man and not a woman.